Racing just is started. We have Lucky Touch, break quickly at the start. Grand Total is done on the inside. Gintong Biyaya, Barkadahan, Sexy Eyes, Blue Shake comes next. Chief of Staff, while Dynamic Duo is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Grand Total and Lucky Touch are fighting out for the lead. 8 lengths further back in third comes Sexy Eyes. Gintong Biyaya, Barkadahan, Chief of Staff comes next. Dynamic Duo, while Blue Shake now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Grand Total and Lucky Touch are matching their strides together. 10 lengths further back in third remains Sexy Eyes. Moving up on the outside, Barkadahan, Chief of Staff. Dynamic Duo comes next. Blue Shake, while Gintong Biyaya now racing in less than the fourth turn. We have Lucky Touch moving up on the outside to take the lead. Grand Total dropping back in second. Chief of Staff now coming closer in third. Barkadahan comes next. Dynamic Duo, Sexy Eyes, Blue Shake, and Gintong Biyaya. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Lucky Touch, Chief of Staff now moving up on the outside and now saying, it's my turn to take the lead. With about 100 meters of the race, we have Chief of Staff now racing away by about 5 lengths. And finally is Chief of Staff. The second is Barkadahan. Then comes Lucky Touch. Dynamic Duo close between Sexy Eyes and Blue Shake.